So you ready to buy a home? What questions should you ask a lender to get the best mortgage? That's today's topic, and it's starting right now. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jill Upleger with Denver Real Estate at RE/MAX Edge in Littleton, Colorado. If you're interested in the Denver area, then you have come to the right place. I post weekly tips, tours, and topics about real estate and living in the Denver area. If you'd like to see more of my videos, remember to tap that subscribe button. Mortgage lenders come in all sizes and offer different options. Here are some important questions to ask your lender and a few myths when it comes to getting pre-approved to buy a home. Number 1, what types of loans does the lender offer? There are many options for borrowers. FHA loans require as little as 3.5% down payment. Conventional loans, 3% down, and if you're a veteran, a VA loan doesn't require a down payment at all. Jumbo loans are for higher priced loans and usually require 15 to 20% down payment. Jumbo loans exceed the maximum loan amount a buyer can get on a conventional FHA or VA loan. Myth: you need a high credit score to qualify for a mortgage. Not necessarily true. Borrowers with a credit score as low as 500 can qualify for FHA loans. For VA loans, lenders look for a score around 580 to 660, but also look at the total financial picture. Your credit score is not the one thing that determines eligibility. Lenders will look at your income, savings, debt-to-income ratio, and size of down payment. Question number 2, what fees does the lender charge? These can include application fees, underwriting fees, origination fees, appraisal fees, buying discount points, or mortgage insurance premium if your down payment is less than 20%. Fees can vary by lender, so shop around to find the best rates and fees. Myth: you cannot save money on mortgage fees. While most mortgage fees are unavoidable, others have room for negotiation. When you apply for a loan, the lender will give you a loan estimate that outlines the costs and payments associated with the loan. Review this in detail and talk to the lender to see if there are any fees that can be reduced or eliminated. Origination fees can vary by lender. Question number 3, how much house can I afford and what will my monthly payments be? Once you've supplied all requested documents and the financials are run, the lender will give you the maximum amount you qualify for and what the lender is willing to lend you. Have a conversation with the lender about different scenarios with loan types, down payment amounts, and how these affect the monthly payments with tax and insurance. Together, you and the lender can identify the best scenario for you. This will help to focus your home search in a price range that works with your budget. Myth: you should spend the maximum amount you qualify for. Ask yourself if you're comfortable with the monthly payment amount. You may be able to make the payments, but at the cost of having extra money to put towards savings, credit card debt, etc. It's a good rule of thumb to not spend more than 33% of your monthly budget on housing. The lower the debt ratio, the better life you'll have. You don't want to be house poor. Finding the right loan and lender is important. Shop around and apply for a mortgage with different lenders to make sure you're getting the best rate. It could mean the difference of thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Get pre-approved before you start seriously looking. Homes are moving quickly and most sellers won't consider an offer from a buyer that hasn't been pre-approved. If you found today's topic helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you'll get notifications every time I post a video and you won't miss a thing. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to check out some of my other videos showing on the screen. Thanks for watching.